Good morning. Today we will present the LDG-3000 pellet production line with a connected SA-400 dryer. The visible set is assembled at one of our clients. Since the initial raw material for this pellet production line is oak chips, the MT-400 hammer mill with a power of 15 kilowatts was placed at the very beginning. After grinding, the mill uses a cyclone to feed the material to the PS-200 screw feeder, through which the fine chaff goes to the LDG-300 pellet mill with a power of 22 kilowatts. Nicely compact pellets come out of the pellet machine and are then transported to the weighing and packing machine via a belt conveyor. In this case, the weigh packing machine is not equipped with a cooler, so the freshly produced pellets must first cool down and evaporate. To be able to heat a bag with pellets, it takes about 6 to 8 hours until the pellets cool down. The weighing machine has a weight that can be freely set. When a certain weight of pellets is in the bag, the mechanism will turn off the feeding to heat the bag, put it aside and then fill the next one. Do you want to learn how to start producing pellets for your own needs? Or maybe you dream of your own business? If so, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have more questions? Call or write. We are at your disposal. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.